Good day, everyone. Learn how to block spam calls in any Android phone. Currently, I'm using Samsung Galaxy Ultra. However, it can be done on any phone which is Android. So go to the settings, and in all settings, you will always find search option, and then just type spam. You will find we need to go to the spam protection under call settings. So I have found caller ID and spam protection, and then I'll just click on that. And then here we have this turned on. You can also check block numbers like this, and this is how you can block spam calls and enable spam protection in any Android mobile phone. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.